What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we are going to be showing a demo of a system that we put in. This is an SVS Ultra 7.1 system. SVS Ultras all the way around with the high gloss finish and then an SB4000 sub paired together with the video of the Epson Pro Cinema 4050, which is an insanely affordable projector and great value, paired together with the Screen Innovations Zero Edge Pro Pure White with the backlit LED kit on it. So let's go ahead and get into this demo. All right guys, this is gonna be a demo of Ready Player One.
Not the bike. Forget the bike. The girl.
Guys, hear all the effects just ripping through the room? That's what it's all about.
Balls.
Strucker's technology is well beyond any other Hydra base we've taken.
Lost.
All right, what did you guys think? Drop some comments down below. Give me a big thumbs up. This is a killer system at a very reasonable price point. Again, SVS, it just comes in at a great performance to price ratio, as well as you got the Zero Edge Pure White with the backlit LED kit. So, you know, like right now with the lights on, you don't get a good image, but that's because it's not an ALR screen. But whenever you have the lights off, you could see it produces really great imaging for the money. Again, performance to value. There's always better. You know, we got Sonys and JVCs for you guys as well. Barco, I mean, if you want to get crazy. But in this price range, I'm really impressed with the performance. I mean, you can hear the crystal clear dialogue, nice mid-range in that deep heart-pounding bass coming over here from our subwoofer. And it's tight because it's a sealed sub. And then our 4050 is producing a beautiful image. Again, just right over $2,000, guys. eShift 4K, you can't beat it. All right, well, this does conclude my quick demo. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision, as well as just inspirational and something that you might want to do in your own space. If you need help, give us a ring. We have a free design service and we would love to create a system for you. All right, guys, well, if you'd like to purchase, give us a ring. Nationwide, free shipping, and a low price guaranteed. Really appreciate it, guys. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.